Let's try some snacks from Algeria. We have a lot to try, so let's get started. Most of the stuff is like cookies and chocolate, but I'm still so excited. First up, we're trying this. It does say that it's a biscuit topped with milk chocolate, which sounds delicious. Okay, here's what it looks like. Smells delicious. Let's give it a try. The chocolate on here kind of tastes like hot chocolate. That's delicious. I'm already giving the first one a 10 out of 10. Up next, we're trying this, and we love a good cookie, so it smells interesting. The flavor's a little weird to me. It's good, just different. It's not my favorite by any means. I'll give it like a 6.5 out of 10. This is what we're trying next. It's like cake. I was not expecting that texture. This is really good. The flavor is kind of subtle. I wish there was a little more to it. Still really good. 8 out of 10. Up next, we have this. This is huge. Smell test. Kind of smells funky. It tastes pretty similar to like the wafers we have here. I have no idea what the actual name for them are. It's good. 7.5 out of 10. And the final thing we're trying today are these. They look like delicious cookie biscuit things. Everything I'm trying today has a very interesting smell. Pretty similar to what it looks like on the package. These are really good too. Everything I've tried has been pretty good, but obviously very different than stuff we have in America. We're gonna give this a 8 out of 10. Come back for part 2.